Happy Wednesday, everyone. Happy 2018 to you, Lucy.
Yes, Happy New Year.
Happy to have you back as always. And
Thank you.
I shouldn't say just as happy because I'm more happy to see you, but I'm very excited about the dish you're making today because it's one of my personal favorites.
Oh, good. I am too. And I'm super excited because it's so simple. It doesn't take many ingredients and it's delicious. We're making shrimp Creole today.
Yes.
So I thought our butter was getting too hot, so I threw our onions in.
That's cool.
Add 1 stick of butter in the pot. And so I'm just going to add 1 onion and then I have 1 green bell pepper and a couple ribs of celery. So we'll just let those veggies start softening up over medium-high heat.
Do we call that the Trinity?
We do. I seriously had a feeling you were going to say that.
Ah.
Yes, Joe is a whiz in the kitchen.
All right, so we've got our Trinity going, which is a very standard thing that you have for shrimp Creole. And tell us why you chose to make this dish today.
I thought that kind of coming into the new year, a lot of people are trying to be a little more health conscious and everyone always needs quick and easy supper ideas. And this one, you know, shrimp is so lean and it's a tomato-based dish with veggies in there, so it really is pretty healthy. I did use a pretty good bit of butter, but you could sub half of that butter with some olive oil, or you could just use olive oil too. So if you
Or it's healthy enough.
I know.
You can eat a little butter in your life, but the rest really is.
It really is. And we're going to use chicken broth also. So I thought that this might be, you know, a good one to share.
And for Greer's, I mean, you guys always have so many things going on. It's exciting for you to come into the new year, 2018. I'm sure you guys have a big year planned, as always.
Yes, we do. And already, you know, people are looking towards Mardi Gras. So we are anxious to get that rolling. We have, you know, a store on the parade route. And, of course, king cakes will be coming out soon. So looking forward to that, kind of starting in this new year. And, yeah, just another year in business is certainly a blessing and something to be thankful for, so we appreciate it.
And Mardi Gras is coming up quick. That's just around the corner, a couple weeks from now, before Mardi Gras kicks off. It's always crazy to think about that because we have so many seasons here where we live, because we have all the traditional things that other people have, but you throw Mardi Gras in there and it just takes on a whole new life.
Yes, so that's always a lot of fun. And actually, you know, in the spirit of Mardi Gras, this dish would be a really good one to get you in the mood, you know, thinking about carnival season.
All right, so sounds good. So we added some garlic into there. We're letting that all kind of sweat down, and then we're going to come back and continue to work on our shrimp Creole with Lucy from Greer's. Looking for it. Ooh, smelling good. I like it.